Let's go over two examples on finding slope between two given points in a word problem. So number 5, a climber is on a hike. After 2 hours, he is at an altitude of 400 feet. After 6 hours, he is at an altitude of 700 feet. What is the rate of change in altitude per hour? So we're going to put this information in a table. Usually x is time. So when we're doing this, our x is time in hours, and our y is feet. So this first one that's given is 2 hours, 400 feet. The second one that's given is 6 hours and 700 feet. So if we want to find the change in altitude per hour, that's really slope. We want to do the change in y divided by the change in x. Our change in y is up 300. To go from 4 to 700, we add 300. Our change in x is up 4. So we're going to do 300 feet in altitude divided by 4 hours. That reduces to 75 feet per 1 hour, and that is our answer. Now let's look at this next example. At birth, a puppy weighed 3 pounds. So at birth, 3 pounds. At 1 week old, the puppy weighed 10 pounds. What is the average rate of change per day for the puppy's weight? All right, so in our table, we are going to let our x's be this time, which is days, and our y's are going to be pounds. At birth, that means the puppy is 0 days old. 0 days old, 3 pounds. 1 week, I don't want 1 week, we want days here. So 1 week is equivalent to 7 days. So at 7 days, the puppy is 10 pounds. So if I want to find the average rate of change per day, well, we need to find the change in pounds, which is 7, and our change in days is 7. So the puppy changes 7 pounds per 7 days. So we want it per 1 day. So 7 divided by 7 is 1. So it changes 1 pound every 1 day. So the answer here is 1.